Is Webull FDIC insured? Webull offers brokerage services. Brokerage accounts are not FDIC insured. FDIC insurance protects deposits in banks and credit unions. It does not cover investments in securities. Webull is a member of SIPC. SIPC protects securities customers of its members. It does not protect against market losses. SIPC coverage is up to $500,000 per customer. This includes $250,000 for cash claims. SIPC protection is different from FDIC insurance. It is designed for a different purpose. Webull's clearing firm carries additional insurance. This coverage supplements SIPC protection. It provides extra protection against losses. This extra insurance kicks in after SIPC coverage is exhausted. It covers remaining cash and securities. This helps protect customers during firm failures. It does not protect against market fluctuations. Your investments can still lose value. This risk is inherent in investing. No insurance policy can eliminate this risk. Webull provides access to various investment products. These include stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Each product has its own risk profile. Understanding these risks is crucial. Do your own research before investing. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. One shocking fact: a significant percentage of investors mistakenly believe their brokerage accounts are FDIC insured. This misconception can lead to misplaced confidence. It highlights the importance of investor education. Always verify the type of protection your investments have. Don't rely on assumptions.